y'all know about staying in your lane, right? Staying in your lane. This guy created this lane. He said, I want to do something completely different. He has an SS Trailblazer. You don't see these every day at all. 26-inch Colon Forge. The paint is bananas. I don't know who did the paint, but whoever did it, hi. Beautiful. Awesome. Listen, Colon Forge. This paint is sick. The wheels, we did 26s on here. We're not finished. I don't think he's finished with the brakes yet. We did the big brakes in the front. Huge brakes in the front. Probably gonna match the rears, not done yet. Still a work in progress. We're probably gonna lower the car a little bit more to get a better stance of the car. But like I said, dude, stay in his lane. Bad car, guys. Appreciate it, man.
Well, not really. It is kind of slow right now.
Why?
Yeah.
Deep lip spokes right there. Woo! Here we are, baby. Coast to Coast Custom. You guys know what we do. Rims and tires all the time. We got Harold. You guys know who he is. There's no secret. We've been here over 10 years now. Custom building rear end. You got the quick performance rear end here with the Wildwood brakes. The QA1 suspension. The front of the QA1. He's got the real deal Dayton's. We'll come out there, check out that real deal Dayton's. A lot of people saying there's some bullshit Dayton's going on out there. You always got to check to the serial number on the hub. You can call Dayton to verify the serial number of the wheel. That's to the stamp it doesn't mean it's it anymore. Gotta make sure you check it coast to coast, but we always got it real.
It's Jeremy, Coast to Coast Customs. I'm back at it again. Is my boy. He just dropped another hit. He's a gold player. I appreciate you, fam. Always.
Hey, man, thank you, Jeremy. Shout out to Coast to Coast, boy. As you see, they do their thing, boy. They do their thing.
Woo! I'm telling you.
I'm happy. Really happy.
I'm telling you guys, these are gold plated. These are no particle. These are gold plated 28-inch real Forgiatos, man. Look at the steering wheel. Go
Look at the steering wheel.
You don't know what time it is, guys. Come on. Beautiful car. Putting it together. He dropped this one. He dropped that one last month. I think last week y'all saw him at the Rick Ross car show. My apologize. This couldn't make it. It wasn't finished in time. For Coast to Coast Custom, Forgiato, always do their thing. Peace. Spokes, rose gold, brand new tires. Customer dropped them off for sale, need to be touched up. Don't sleep on these deals. 28-inch Asantis on the Suburban. Little caliper paint action. Woo! Beautiful. Coast to Coast Customs. Always got your set in stock.